Hey guys, this is Mrs. Long. You're my math maniacs and my geometry geniuses. Here we have a probability problem with replacement. And what that means is we're going to have two events happen. Not just one anymore. We're going to have two events happen. This and this. So we have to multiply those two events together. All right, so what's happening here is there's a bag, and inside the bag are 10 ripe bananas and 5 unripe bananas. You know, those green ones that taste funny? All right, bananas are chosen one at a time with replacement. What is the probability of choosing 2 unripe bananas and then 2 ripe bananas? All right, so I'm going to draw a little picture here. And I'm going to use yellow to represent ripe bananas. All right, so I'm coming down here and I'm grabbing my yellow. I think you'll be able to see this. I'll make it a dark yellow. How's that? Kind of a mustardy yellow. So we have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have 5 unripe bananas. 5. So we're going to make them green, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to change this to of choosing 1 unripe banana and then 1 ripe banana. Okay, for the purpose of this video. We're going to change that problem up a little bit. All right, so we know that we're going to choose 2 bananas. So we're going to choose this banana, we're going to choose this banana, and once we find those, we're going to multiply them together because we're going to choose this one and this one. All right, so let's talk about the probability of choosing 1 unripe banana here. Remember, when we do probability, we put favorable outcomes over total possible outcomes. Now, there are 15 bananas in the bag altogether, so we are choosing out of 15 bananas. How many of those are unripe? 5 of them. So 5 out of 15 is the probability on the first draw of choosing an unripe banana. All right, then you're not going to keep that banana. You're going to put it back in the bag. That's what with replacement is. So we still have 15 bananas in the bag. So for our second one, we want to choose a ripe banana. So like I said, we still have 15 bananas in the bag because even after you chose one, you put it back in the bag. All right, and there are 10 ripe bananas. All right, so the first draw, we had 5 out of 15 chance of choosing an unripe banana. Then we replaced it. And on the second draw, we had a 10 out of 15 chance of choosing a ripe banana. Now, we're going to multiply those together since we made 2 choices. 5 times 10 is 50. And 15 times 15, I believe it's 225, but I'm going to double check. Because it's getting late in the day and I could do some goofy stuff. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, my only problem is, that is not one of my answer choices over here. So what am I going to have to do? Yeah, you're right. I'm going to simplify that fraction. So 50. And when I simplify that guy, oh, we're not going to get a correct answer choice, are we? Because we changed the problem a little bit. So I'll just doodle over here for a minute. All right. When I simplify this fraction, and all I have to do is put it in my calculator. I put in 50 divided by 225, and then I hit second fraction to decimal. And it did all the hard work for me. So I get 2 over 9. So I have a 2 out of 9 chance of drawing an unripe banana, putting it back, and then drawing a ripe banana. And that is how you do a problem with replacement.